Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You need a working network and the YouTube app installed. First, connect the Hey TV to your Wi-Fi from Settings, then open the Smart TV Store. Once done, locate YouTube and install or update it so you have the latest features. Make sure your remote batteries are good. You will need directional and OK keys. Now launch YouTube and be ready to move to account setup and pairing steps. This speeds playback and access to subscriptions. You should sign in so subscriptions and recommendations sync. Choose Sign In on the TV, you may get an on-screen code. Once displayed, use your phone or computer at YouTube. com/activate and type the code to pair instantly. Alternatively, enter your email and password with the TV keyboard if you prefer. If two-factor appears, follow prompts on your phone. Make sure the TV clock is correct. Wrong time can block authentication, so adjust settings if needed. Now play any video, adjust quality for smooth playback, and enable captions if you want. To cast, tap the cast icon on your phone and pick the Hey TV. Make sure both devices share the same Wi-Fi network. Once casting, control volume and playback from your phone. If videos buffer or YouTube crashes, restart the TV first, then reinstall the app if needed. As a final tip, power cycle your router. This clears network glitches and often restores.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.